Welcome to the Skilled MBA Finance Case Study Series. Today's case: Vickers Oils, Navigating Legacy, Leadership, and Conflict. Vickers Oils, a long-standing family enterprise, has sustained growth and relevance for generations through strategic adaptability and visionary leadership. From industrial lubricants to marine oils, the company has built a reputation grounded in quality, trust, and resilience. However, like many family-run businesses, Vickers Oils now faces a critical internal challenge: family conflict. Disagreements among generations and leadership factions are threatening the unity that once defined the organization. These tensions raise pressing questions about governance, succession planning, and preserving the core values that underpin the brand. This case explores how family dynamics impact strategic decisions, the importance of structured conflict resolution and governance frameworks, strategies for balancing tradition with modernization in family enterprises. Vickers Oils exemplifies resilience, navigating 2 world wars, industrial revolutions, and evolving market demands over 7 generations. Despite this legacy, internal challenges now jeopardize its success and family unity. Addressing these issues is crucial to preserving both the company's operational future and the family's harmonious legacy. Will Vickers, a Generation 7 leader, confronts a fractured family ownership and limited active involvement. His core challenge is reuniting disconnected branches to infuse fresh talent and a shared purpose. Strategic decisions now will shape Vickers Oil's operational future and the legacy of family harmony for generations. Past conflicts in Generation 5 led to severe tensions, excluding an entire branch from operations. Despite this, ownership shares remained dispersed, causing a disconnect between ownership and management. Peter Vickers became the sole operator, resulting in management bottlenecks and further family disengagement. The current family business structure is heavily reliant on Peter Vickers for operations, with limited active ownership from other family members. This creates stability, but also vulnerability. Multiple family branches remain passive shareholders, while potential future leaders from the next generation are disengaged, posing challenges for succession and long-term sustainability. The core strategic question is whether to reintegrate disengaged family members or accept their natural disengagement. This decision intertwines business strategy, family dynamics, and emotional legacy, presenting a complex challenge. Balancing these elements is crucial for the company's future, as it impacts leadership succession, family unity, and strategic direction. Reintegrating family members can offer fresh perspectives and a diverse talent pool, enhancing commitment and leadership succession. However, it risks reigniting conflicts, diluting control, and complicating governance. The key challenge is transforming inactive shareholders into strategic contributors without worsening tensions. Family business governance requires formal structures that respect ownership and operational needs. Balancing emotional equity with objective decisions is crucial. Engaging non-operating shareholders meaningfully adds value without micromanagement. Preparing future leaders involves maintaining meritocracy and professional standards, ensuring a sustainable family business legacy. Successful multi-generational family businesses thrive by balancing family involvement. Active family leaders drive operations, while family board members provide strategic oversight. Informed family shareholders stay engaged without micromanaging, and passive shareholders trust the leadership. Non-family professionals bring external expertise, ensuring a dynamic and effective governance structure. The three-circle model by Tagliuri and Davis highlights the intersecting domains of family, business, and ownership, often leading to conflicts. Gersich's family business life cycle outlines predictable stages of ownership evolution. Gomez Mejia's socio-emotional wealth framework emphasizes non-financial priorities like identity and dynasty, crucial for understanding Vickers Oil's dynamics. Exploring Will's strategic options The reconciliation path emphasizes healing historical wounds and fostering engagement through shared heritage. Succession planning focuses on clear leadership transitions, involving both family and non-family professionals. Ownership restructuring considers separating ownership from management or buyout options for disengaged shareholders, balancing family harmony with business optimization. Transparent communication is vital, ensuring all family shareholders engage in honest dialogue. Formalized governance structures like family councils and independent boards provide clarity. Emotional intelligence is crucial for managing family conflicts empathetically. A long-term perspective balances immediate performance with generational goals, preserving the company's unique strengths. This case study equips students to analyze family business governance complexities, evaluate emotional and financial equity in decisions, and design conflict intervention strategies. It also focuses on understanding multi-generational succession challenges and applying theoretical frameworks to real-world family business scenarios. Balancing family harmony with business optimization is crucial for family enterprises. Addressing unresolved conflicts from past generations is essential to prevent governance issues. Family shareholders should have meaningful involvement aligned with their skills. Governance must evolve with formalization and professional management as ownership disperses across generations. For family enterprises, effective succession planning is crucial. It involves identifying future leaders, ensuring they are well prepared, and aligning them with the business's strategic goals. This process requires clear communication, structured mentorship, and a focus on both family values and business acumen to ensure a seamless transition and sustained success. Thank you for joining us. Mobile, +91 87553 Email, support@skilledmba.com. Website, www.skilledmba.com.